Take over the session.
Okay. So welcome guys. Can someone tell me what happened in the last meeting we had? I think it's been 2 weeks now.
Sir, we were discussing about the iteration part of the dictionary
Okay.
and some for loop questions.
Okay.
Sets, sorry, short sets.
Okay. Okay.
And some operation on the sets.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Yeah. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think this was day 3. So we checked out set,
Yeah.
union, intersection. Everyone remembers this, right? I hope
Yes, sir.
2 weeks no one has forgotten yet.
Yeah, we
Okay.
also discussed about the tuple.
Yeah. Yeah. We went over tuples. Then the main part was the dictionaries. I hope everyone remembers the dictionaries part because today we'll be doing some problems. And I think dictionary will be the most important part in that. Okay, I hope everyone remembers the dictionary part.
Yes.
Okay. So then we did this problem. This is a very common problem you will see in your OPPs as well. Give me a thumbs up if you've seen such a problem before or any similar one. Okay. And then we went over strings, dot upper, dot lower, everything.
Yeah, yeah. Starts with it.
Okay. I think we did this problem last to see the split part.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, I think someone asked this question. So we solved this. Okay, that should be it. So today what we'll do, we'll go over the problems. Just give me a minute. Let's get started. Also, I think everyone got their OPP 1 scores. How have you guys done? Feel
Yes,
free.
sir. My
Sorry?
score is not well, sir.
Yeah, anyone who's not cleared or how many of you have already cleared it?
Yeah, I have cleared my exam with the
Okay.
percentage.
Others? Is this only for those who have Python this term? That's the main focus. We will be looking at other students also. Okay.
Yes, sir. The passing percentage is very low. Is this batch?
In Python, is it?
Yeah, only 34% students have participated in this exam and 21% is able to pass the exam.
Okay, okay, okay. I think it was harder.
No, sir, it's not harder. If I practice, I
400
can.
student easy pass the exam in this term.
Sorry, sorry.
400 student.
Okay, guys, one at a time, please. So is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
Like, what do you see?
sir, it's showing the week one, week eight, week nine.
Oh, okay, okay. Just give me a minute. So let's go over problems now. Quickly tell me problems which you want me to solve. And we will keep pattern printing for some other time. We'll definitely go over that. We'll have a dedicated class for that.
Sir, So today we are going to discuss about the questions of the dictionary. No?
Yeah, exactly. That's the
Section
thing.
2 problem. Problem
Yeah,
in
sir.
section 2.
You can do it by 2025 question, and in the section number two there is questions of the dictionary.
This
Section
one?
first is easy,
No,
but
sir.
section 2 is
2025 this year.
will be difficult.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, section number two.
This one? Okay,
Yeah, section number two.
okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. Is my collab visible? Yeah.
Yes.
Let's take some. Okay. So, can anyone do this? Anyone try this?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yep.
Can I say no?
Sorry. I'll give you I'll give you 5 minutes.
Okay,
Everyone
okay,
solve
sir.
this. And then we'll go over the problem step by step.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Dictionary sets recursion, exception handling. Sorry, I didn't get you what you wanted to say.
Can you please take problems on these four topics? Need like explain the concepts and problems.
Okay, okay, definitely. We have already done dictionaries and sets. Recursion, let's keep it for maybe Sunday. And
Okay.
exception handling, do you have it for OPP? I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. But the concept wise, like for end term exam.
All right. Okay, we'll definitely go with that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the syllabus for the OBB2?
I think you should know that better, but I think it's still week 9, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, it's a
You definitely have file handling. Week 8 is there. I'm not sure of week 9 and 10.
sir, but the OP2 question said there is no final handling question. Clear.
No, I think it was there last time. It was there, definitely there last time.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yep. Someone raised a hand. What is it?
Where I can get the like recording or anything of the previous sessions?
Yes. Let me just give you the link to that. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, the previous recordings links is in your chat box. So there. And you can follow me on LinkedIn. You'll get all the links there as well. So, guys, I think we have enough time. Can someone give me the answer in the chat box?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Oh yeah, just give me a minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm sure you will tell me the answer. Can you tell me your approach? How you solve this?
Yeah, me, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, we have to take here the elements of L, and each of the elements should be divided by 2 to check that element is even or odd.
Even or not? Okay.
Okay, so then we have to put in the dictionary, and we have to take the two keys here, even and odd, and we have to increment the value. Sorry, we have to add the value of that even count and odd count.
Okay. Can you tell me your entire code now?
Yeah. Sir, we have to take first the even count and odd count as a variable equal to
Give me a
0.
minute. Give me a minute.
Even
Okay.
count, yeah, even count equals to 0
Even count is equal to 0.
and odd count equals to 0. Yeah.
Okay.
And for int in L,
For INL.
uh, if
Hmm.
I is divided I modulo 2
Hmm. Hmm.
equal to 0,
Okay.
we have to increment the count of even count by 1,
Okay.
and else we have to increment the count of odd count by 1, and d
Hmm.
equal to
D is equal
dictionary
to.
part, and there is a flower bracket,
Okay.
and even as a key,
Hmm.
and here colon even count,
Okay.
and odd as a key, and colon odd count, and return d.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, is this right?
Yes.
Completely right. Can anyone who says it's not right give me a thumbs up if it's right, thumbs down if it's not right. Okay. Let me run this. Oh yeah. Wait, just give me more. Uh, Whoever gave this, I think you have missed a very important thing here. Is this what we wanted? Set. Okay. Is this the answer we wanted?
First,
No,
we
sir.
need to convert that into set
Wait,
and
wait.
then we can use it.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So let me go over this now. Okay. First, let's. Sorry. Okay. This is the list we are given.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go over the question one by one. Okay. List that takes a list of integers, okay, returns a dictionary with the count of unique. So whenever you hear the word unique, what is the first thing that should pop in the head?
Set.
Okay. Whenever you hear the word unique, the first thing that should come in your head is the set. So first we will convert this to a set. Now let's check. Is this how we wanted it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once we have the set, what do we do? Do we need that even count and odd count?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are suggesting something like this. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do we need this?
Sir, we have to initialize by 0 for counting this.
Okay, so what if I do something like this?
Yeah, it is also possible, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Why do we do this? Because we have only two keys, either it's odd or it's even.
yeah.
All right. Whenever you hear the word dictionary, first thing that should come in your head, there will be keys and there will be values. So what are the keys here?
Even and odd.
What are the
Even
values?
and odd.
0, 0.
0, 0.
Okay. So whenever we have a count or count over a list, what do we use?
So for, no.
No, yeah, definitely we'll use for, but what is the data structure we use? We will use a dictionary, right?
Oh,
Whenever
yeah.
we have to keep a count of multiple values together. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what do we do? For, let's say, for num in L, and how do we check if it is odd or even?
So by the modulo D 2.
If num mod 2 double equal to 0, what do we do?
So we have to increment the even value.
Like this,
Yeah, else
right?
equals to 1.
Else,
D odd.
now will this be right?
No, sir,
Yes.
we have to take here in L, not S, should be for num in
Oh,
L.
yeah, yeah, sorry,
Yes.
sorry, sorry, yeah, for num in S,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Okay, for num in S.
Yeah,
Now is this right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So,
if I my in my code, if I make this list into a set and
yep.
then I execute by for loop, then my
Yeah, yeah,
result.
definitely it will run. Definitely it will run. But the only thing is you don't need an extra count variable. Because what if you had like 10 different counts? You can't keep 10 variables, right? That's why we are using a dictionary, okay?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
your code will still run, but this is just a better way of doing it.
okay, sir.
Okay. I hope this is clear. Let's try this. Okay, so this question, how do we convert it into a function?
First, we need to define a function name that will take a parameter, and we need to specify what
Okay.
return value it will take.
Okay.
It's yeah, return the
Yeah, exactly. Count even out of,
Then we have to change it to the set.
we'll do the same thing. Okay, let's erase this and now tell me the code.
just we have to write the print statement as a return d.
Yeah, yeah. Give me the code now. The right code.
So S equals to set of
Yeah.
L,
Set of L. Okay.
and there we have to write d equals to
Hmm.
in the flower bracket even and odd as a value 0, 0.
Even is equal to 0 or is equal to 0. Okay. Next.
And for a for num in S,
In S.
yeah, if
Yeah. If
num modulo 2 equal to 0, then we have to d of even plus equals to 1.
else,
Else d of odd plus equals to 1 and return d.
where do I return? Here.
No, no, sir. Outside for
End of for loop.
under the for
Why do we do it outside the for loop and not here?
because we want the final value.
Right? What if we do it here?
It's just printing over and over. Every
Okay.
time it's going to print.
What if I do return D, is it?
Indentation error.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, let me take my L.
So first it's just printing for 1, then printing for 2. The number of times the variable is.
Sorry. Let's try this. So, what are all the possible values here? Like, what are the possible answers I'm getting? Someone said indentation error. Someone said it will print over and over and over again. Anything else? Anyone who says this will actually give me the right answer.
No, sir, it's not.
Okay, let's run this. Unexpected.
Oh, sir, it's a return statement only runs for one time, I think.
So, firstly, it's not an indentation error. This is still a very valid code. Secondly, function starts here. The function ends here.
Yes, sir.
Once it ended, it will never go back to this, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why I am getting it only once. Okay. So let's make it right. Where do I have to do this?
Under the for loop.
Here?
हेलो
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
सर यहाँ इफ एन मॉडुलर इक्वल टू जीरो यहीं पे रिटर्न क्यों नहीं करते यहाँ नीचे जाकर रिटर्न क्यों करें डायरेक्ट ऊपर ही दोनों जगह रिटर्न कर देते
Here. यहाँ पे?
नहीं नहीं वो डी इवन प्लस इक्वल टू रिटर्न रिटर्न डी इक्वल टू
Were you there from the starting? Like, did you see the question?
यस
Okay, okay. Yeah, now tell me what is the doubt. Just go through the question and tell me what is the doubt.
वो इफ स्टेटमेंट के नीचे ही क्यों रिटर्न नहीं कर सकते हैं वो हमको मेरा डाउट है
I mean here. यहाँ पे.
यार यस नहीं 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 रिटर्न डी इवन प्लस इक्वल टू वन सिर्फ रिटर्न डी नहीं
Where we
Okay.
yes there.
Yeah.
Will this be valid?
No, sir.
Invalid syntax.
Okay.
Firstly, this is not a valid statement at all because you're returning something, but you are also modifying the value, right? That's not valid, firstly. Uh, Secondly, that is not what we are asked, right? We are asked to find the count in the ending. Okay. I hope you, I hope your doubt was clear.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, okay. So is this right, or is there any issue in this also? This code? Anyone tell this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now it will work, sir. Now it will work.
Now it will work. 3 and 4. Okay.
Sir,
So
my question is, right now we have simply we have defined a dictionary with a key and a value.
yes,
But
yes.
if first we initialize the dictionary with the empty set, like it is empty only, then
Yeah.
how we can assign this value? Can you teach that? I'm getting a problem in that.
You mean like this?
Like it will be empty, yeah,
Like
empty
this?
dictionary. Yes. Now I need to assign some value inside that.
No, I
Then
mean
how?
in this case we know the keys, right? That you can do when the keys are not known. Let me just show you where you do that.
Okay.
Yeah. If any value is not in D, so we have to increment that D in the third bracket, the key value equal to 0.
I think this solves your doubt.
Yes, 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 yes,
Exactly.
yes, 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 yes.
Recording for the previous session. Yeah, I've pinned that. It's the recording for all the sessions so far. Okay, okay. No issues, no issues. Okay, I hope your doubt is clear.
Yes, I got,
We
I got
went
it.
over this extensively in the last session, so you can definitely watch the recording there. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
can someone summarize what we did from the beginning?
Sir, which one? The function or the question?
Yeah, entire code.
First, we have taken we have defined a function
Okay.
with the name and the parameter which it takes, and then we have since we have to count the not the duplicate values, so we have taken a set
Okay. So
that
whenever we see unique, what do we have? What do we use?
we use a set.
Set.
Okay. Next.
Then we have iterated through each and every element of that set, and we have checked whether it is a even or a odd. Based on that,
So
we have
yeah. So whenever we have even or odd, we use num mod to double equal to zero,
yes,
right?
and then we have in the if condition we have if it is a even, then we have increment the even count. In else condition, we have incremented the odd count, and at last we have returned the dictionary
Return to
with
the
the
dictionary.
uh,
Okay.
updated values of the even and odd counts.
Yep, definitely.
Sir, I have a small question. What is the difference between the argument and the parameter?
Sorry. Give me a
What is the
second.
difference between the argument and parameter?
Okay. Argument and a parameter.
Yeah.
You can use those words interchangeably. Both are used in a function.
Okay, sir.
This you can call it an argument or a parameter. Generally, when you use the command line, it's called an argument. But here you can use both. Parameter is more widely used.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Okay. I hope this problem is solved.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let me just try this. Just give me a moment. This is a benefit session. Yeah, we are conducting these sessions for with OPP2 in mind. Yep. Sorry. Yeah. So all the test cases ran. Let's submit this, and I hope all of them ran. Sorry, this is graded assignment, is it? Do you have marks for this?
No, sir, it's just a question paper.
Okay. This is only for practice, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. OP for OPP.
Yeah.
Okay.
This year question paper.
Yeah. Okay. Again, 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the problem, and let's solve this. Uh, Please can you highlight why you used a set? Okay, yeah, we will go over that again. Okay. So if you carefully see the question, there's the word unique, right? So whenever we see the word unique, the first thing that should pop in our head is the set. Okay, just because that is what a set does. It keeps the count of unique values. That is why we converted it to a set first. If we had used the list itself, then we would have to keep a count how many times, how if the number has already occurred or not. So that would have been a harder work to do. Converting into a set just makes our life easier. That's why we converted into a set first. So just keep this in mind whenever you see the word unique. The first thing you should use is a set. Yep. Yeah, I have put it in the chat box. Okay, let's get to the solution. Anyone who has solved this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me your approach and what the solution?
Yeah. Sir, I can tell the solution, then I can explain that.
Just give me a moment.
Okay, sir.
This is the first test case. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write a program that takes a string and counts the number of vowels in each word. Should then print each word followed by the count of vowels in the parentheses. Okay, go ahead.
Sir, we have to first take the variable sentence equals to input.
Okay. For now, let's use it as like this.
Yeah. And for words in sentence dot split and
Words
parentheses,
in sentence dot split. Yeah.
you take, then
Uh,
colon.
Send, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Then vowel is equals to vowel count equals to 0. So the reason behind this, why we are at this vowel count inside the for loop,
Yeah.
because we want to count the number of vowels for each word, not the total number of vowels. If we put that vowel count outside the for loop, it will count the total number of vowels in the sentence,
Right?
not specific word.
Yes. Okay, go ahead.
And for character in word, and if words in vowels, so we have to mention that vowel part also, sir. I forgot about
Word.
that.
Okay.
Yeah, vowels equals to capital A E I O U and small e I O U in a string. A capital A E I O U.
Like this.
Yes, sir. And small a I O U.
Okay.
Okay. For character in words,
Okay.
if character in vowels, then we have to increment the count vowel count here.
Okay.
We should have to print here after that for.
Here.
No, sir. The second for loop.
Here or here?
So under the second for loop.
Okay. Here.
Yeah. No, sir. Uh, can they under the
Before that.
for second for loop.
Here, right? Here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Print.
Print. You have to put f string here because we are dealing
Okay.
with the string function.
Okay.
And in the flower bracket word,
Hmm. Sorry.
then
Word.
flower bracket vowel count in a parenthesis.
Like this.
No, no, sir. Inside the flower bracket parenthesis.
Like this.
Yes, sir. Vowel count.
Hmm.
And after that, flower bracket and comma, we should here end statement will be there because we want to print in the same line. Comma end equal to, and there is a gap should be there also.
Space.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this. Is this what we wanted?
So we want this, but I think there is a bracket missing.
Let me just give you the output format also. Okay, I think I've missed that.
Okay, sir. Parenthesis will be outside the flower bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, parenthesis should
Give me a
be out.
moment. Okay. This is how it should be.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
Will this work? Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Can you go over your solution?
Sir, is it correct?
Is this right? Everyone, is this right? Give me a thumbs up if it's right. Can you explain how to solve pattern printing? Definitely, we will have a dedicated class for that. Okay.
Sir, but in sentence,
Yeah.
we can take anything, right, sir? Not the particular sentence. Like computer science is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to
It
put
may
if.
be from user choice.
Yeah.
Uh, Let me just show you the question, and I think that is when you'll understand. Okay. Let's go over the test cases.
Yeah, sir. I got it now. Like they have given the input. Yeah,
Okay.
I
That's how
can
the
see.
input will be. See, you can have these things also.
Yeah.
And it
Sentence.
actually does not make a difference, right? They have already given you that it is a space separated sentence. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. So, firstly, is this right, everyone? Sorry. So let's do this again. Let's go. Okay. Firstly, one more thing we can change in this. Let me show you that. Is this enough? Do we actually need this capital also?
No, sir. If I do here the for word in sentence dot speed lower case, then
Yeah.
I don't need that.
Right.
Yeah.
So what do we do? Instead of having these twice, we will take only lower, and now we will do sen is equal to sen dot lower. Okay. What does this do?
Yes, sir.
Converts the entire sentence into lowercase first. All right. Is this clear? Is it clear till now? You get why I use the
Yes, sir.
logic? Okay. Now, once we have everything in this lowercase, now what is this doing? What is this first for loop doing? Forward in send dot split. Let's check what this prints. Okay. So what is it actually printing? It is printing the actual words.
Each word in a different line.
It's space separated words. Okay. Sorry. Now we use the vowel count. Why do we have the vowel count here? Can someone answer?
To keep track of the counts of the vowels.
Right?
But sir, we can split the this we are using for the for loop to split. Then we can split earlier also, and then we can use it.
Definitely. That is even better. Okay. Simple. The code looks a lot better now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. That was- Okay. So firstly we split this. Now let me just show you how this looks like. Okay. We have now four separate words. We have to do something to each of these words, right? So what do? We take vowel count is equal to 0. Why do we take a vowel count separately for each word? Because we have to keep it for word wise, right? We have to count the number of vowels for each word. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We do that. Now we iterate over each character. Okay. For Karen word. Okay. What is this line checking?
Comparing each word with the vowel
Right.
from the sentence.
It is checking if the given word is a vowel, if the given character is a vowel. If it is, what do? We increment this. Okay.
By one.
Now I think this is your most confusing part will be this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see carefully. Okay, let's remove the F string now. And can someone tell me what exactly we have to print?
Word and the number of vowels in a parenthesis.
Okay. Firstly, we have a word. Then we have a parenthesis. Then we have the word count. Then we have the closing parenthesis. Okay. Is that
And
it?
it's a retained space.
Can someone explain what is this and is equal to space doing?
After each word,
After
it is
each,
one space.
Okay, and what if I don't have this and is equal to space here? What?
Then also it will space because it is a default behavior to print.
No,
So each
no,
value is going to print in a different line.
exactly. So by default, what is the separator?
next
Back,
line.
backslash n. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yep.
Yes, sir.
So this is not how we want it, right? We want it in the same line. That's why we use n is equal to space. Okay. Now I think there's one more problem that is with this three part. That is why we will use something called as an f string. Okay.
So
What
there
does?
is a gap between.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. That's why we are using the f string, right? What does f string do? It is a formatted printing way. So whatever is inside these flower brackets become your variables, and whatever is not will be printed as it is. Okay. So what do we have here? Wall count, right? No,
Yes, sir.
give an end here. Okay. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone got this? Anyone who has a doubt? Anyone who didn't get this? Give me a thumbs up.
Got
Okay.
it, sir.
Got it. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Yeah. Is it visible? Why we use this function split? Just give me a moment. My collab. Okay, is my collab visible? Now, why do we use this? Sorry. Why do we use the split here by default? Let me just show you this and I think you'll better understand. Okay. So what was their input? Computer science is amazing. Everything was separated by space. What does this split do? It actually removes that space and converts it into a list. And the list is separated by a space. Okay, so first part before the space is computer. Then after the space, the second part is science. Then it says, and finally it's amazing. Alright, do you get it? That's the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, and yeah, I think we extensively went over this split part in the last class, so you can definitely watch that. I think it was day 3.
Yes, sir. We discussed it in detail.
Yep. Right. Okay. Okay. Now, it's the keys are student. Just okay. And I'll give you another 5 minutes to solve this. It's actually a long question. Let me try it though. No, that's okay. That's okay. No worry. Yeah, this is a data set. Okay, so let's solve this. Anyone tell the answer?
Yes, sir.
Give me a moment. Okay. Yep. Go ahead.
Sir, first of all, there is a function should be there. So the given code in the already given in the questions. So can you copy it? So
Sorry.
set the def value and the function name given in the question. So can you copy it and paste it? Then I can.
Just give me a moment. Yeah. Go ahead. What were you telling?
Yes, sir. The
So
17th
criteria
line.
is given, is it?
Yeah, yeah. I'm telling that.
Like this. This.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, till the 17th line, sir.
Till the 17th line.
Yes, sir.
Like this.
This, yeah,
Okay.
this was given.
This.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, sir, we have to take a result equals to empty set. We have to create
Just give me a moment. Yeah. Result is equal to
set, empty set. Uh,
set. Okay.
now we have to unpackage the dictionary, unpackaging of dictionary, and
Okay.
for key,
For
comma,
key.
value,
Yeah. Key comma value.
value in what is the name of the dictionary? Data
Data.
dot
Data. Data.
items and parenthesis.
Items. Okay.
Yeah, and average equals to
Is equal to.
the sum of the values because it is a basically we can do that operation because the values the score are in the list.
Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Let's. Okay. So everyone is clear with how the question looks like, right? Given the data, student scores in a dictionary, keys are student names. So keys will be your names. And what are the values? They are the list of scores. All right. what do we have to do? We have to filter the students, and we have been given a criteria. Okay, give me a thumbs up if everyone got the question. Okay, okay, great, great. So everyone got the question. You have been given a key, we have been given a list of values, and we have been given the criteria. Okay, again, let's, yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
I have a question, sir. Can we replace the value by scores? It
sorry,
will be. Yeah, sir. In the second line, yeah, the
here,
value is replaced by scores.
yeah, yeah, you can do that. It's only a variable name, right? So,
Yeah, correct.
can someone tell me what will this print?
It will print all the keys.
And the keys here are,
The name of the students.
let me remove this. That was better. Yeah, name of the students. Okay,
Yeah.
everyone got this? Everyone got this unpackaging first? Give me a thumbs up. If you did not, do watch the last
Last
lecture.
session.
That's what we did the whole time. Okay. So what are we doing? We are, see, this is your keys. These are your values. We are taking all the keys and we are taking all the values. Data dot items, that is what it prints. For example, if I do, I'm not sure if this runs. Okay. It is a tuple, keys, values, key, values. Okay. Is this clear? What is data dot items? All
So
right.
data dot items is showing the whatever data along with the keys present in the
Exactly, exactly. It makes it a tuple. Uh, okay. It makes it a tuple. First entry is your key, and second entry is your values. It can be a list, it can be another dictionary, that does not matter. But that is what data dot items is doing. Okay. Everyone got this? Okay. So now when I do for key comma scores in data dot items, all your keys are getting stored in your key variable and all your values are getting stored in your scores variable. Is that clear? So what will you get now? What if I run this? Okay, these are the individual scores. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Got this? Great. So now what do we do?
So you have
What
to
is
calculate
asked in
the
the question?
average value.
Yeah. So what is asked in the question?
Excellent. Also, sir, first of all, we have to write the criteria also. If criteria is equals to excellent.
Yeah, yeah, we will do that. We will definitely do that.
Yes, sir.
First, let's understand what do we have to do. Okay, I think yeah, you will need a criteria.
Yeah.
So what are the criteria that we have been given?
Excellent, good, all pass and balanced.
What do we need for excellent?
Sir, we have to calculate the students' marks, which their average is greater than 85.
Okay. What do we need for good?
Sir, the average value should be less than 50, score between 50 inclusive. Okay, so we have to include the 50 also, so we have to put
Okay.
greater than equal to sign here and less
Okay.
than 85.
Okay. And what about all pass?
We have to say that their values in the list all should be greater than 50, greater than equal to 50.
And for the last one, we have a difference of less than equal to 10, right?
Maximum value and the minimum value.
Okay. So now what do I do?
So first of all, sir, we have to calculate the average. Average equals to sum of the values by length of sorry, sir, sum of scores divided by length of scores, because it is a list. We can do it.
Got this?
Sir, now I have a question, sir.
Give me a moment. Oh yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Yes, sir. My question is that, sir,
Hmm.
I had already solved this question, so I can able to solve it. So my question is that the for loop we are using here
Yeah.
for unpackaging the dictionary. Okay.
Hmm.
So when I'm using the for loop to iterate through every value,
Yeah.
then uh, I my answer is wrong. It's showing that my answer is wrong. Why, sir?
I think you had a problem with the balanced part because for the balanced you don't need to go through every value, right? You just need the min and
No,
max.
sir. Every the excellent part is also if we put that for loop extra for loop after unpackaging using the for loop.
Okay, okay. Let's do one thing. Let's solve this, and then we
Okay.
will get to yours.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what all do we need here? For excellent, we need the average.
Yeah.
For good, also we need the average. Okay. For all pass, we need scores greater than equal to 50. All
Yeah.
the
There
scores
we need the
greater than equal to
two for
50.
loops.
Right? Yeah. And for balanced, we need the difference between min and max should be less than equal to 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do we find the average actually? So firstly, what is common in all the questions?
Unpackaging.
No, no, unpackaging is fine, but what is actually common in all the four cases? We have to iterate over the loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got that?
Yeah.
We need an average. Average is used in two cases.
Yes, sir.
Then we need all scores. And then we need the min and the max. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So now let's see what this does. Okay. Firstly, we need the average, right? Let's make
Yes.
another dictionary. And what will that store?
It will score the average value.
That will store your average. That will store if all the scores are greater than equal to 50, and that will score if min and your min and max. Okay, everyone got this? Let me show you actually what this does. Okay, first let's do it for a particular case. We can definitely have a for loop over this. Let's do it for a particular case. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So firstly, how do I find the average?
Sum of the all the values by
Sum
Sum
of all the values and length of the hallway.
by len of Alice.
yes, sir.
Okay, is this right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Perfect. Nextly, what do we need?
We have to check that value is greater than
No, no,
85.
Check the criteria.
no, no. We will do that all. Let's break down the problem. Okay. Let's only focus on getting the average. Let's only focus on getting the min, and let's only focus on getting the max. Okay.
Okay.
Right now we got the average. How do we get the min?
Sir, we have to just mean Alice.
Min of Alice.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what do we need? The max of Alice.
So it will give. Yeah.
Okay, we got this.
Yes, sir.
So now let me make a list. That is, okay, you need the average first, or should I have the min first?
Sir, don't get it. Could you please come here?
Okay, let's do something like this. Store this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so now I'll have a list average, mini, maxi. Okay,
Okay, sir.
is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can someone explain why I'm making a list here? If not, let me
We
explain.
will compare the criteria with
Exactly. We will compare the criteria definitely. Okay, let's take some other case. Let's use this. Don't worry about the name. I'll change that. Okay. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
So instead of doing everything in one go, I will split my work into three different parts. Firstly, I'll only work on the average, then on the minimum, and then on the maximum. Everyone got it till here? Give me a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, no doubts, sir. Great, great. Okay. Now, can I do this for every key?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. Do I need one more dictionary for this, or can I work with the same one? Okay, tell me one more thing. After I have found out the average, minimum, and maximum, do these values actually matter to me?
No, sir.
Sir.
No? Anyone who says they do matter? Okay, great. So now what do I do? Okay, I have the average. What else do I need? I need the
Sir,
minimum,
maximum and minimum
min of scores.
scores and max of scores.
Also, one more thing, just keep in mind, never use the variable min or max. Why?
They are reserved.
Technically, they are not reserved. You can still use min is equal to this. But what happens is the next time you use min, then it will throw an error. Okay?
Minimum.
Yeah. So use okay. Let's keep it simple. Let's use it as minimum and the maximum. Okay.
Max.
Now what do I do next?
Sir, we have to iterate through all the keys now.
No, no. We will do the iteration part also again. Let's
No, no,
only
so I
work.
have to mention the criteria now, I think.
No. For now, let's not go on the criteria. Okay. Because the criteria is a totally different thing, and we can definitely do that very easily. Okay.
We will store this result in some.
Yeah, yep. Definitely, we will store this result. Do we need one more? Let's remove this for now. Do we need one more dictionary for that to store the result?
Yes.
Okay, we can have. And how do I store this?
Key value pair.
Yep. So what should be the key now?
Can assign key as average.
No, I don't need that. We already are finding the key, right? Can we do this? And what did we do here? We assigned everything to a list, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's do that again. So what is this? Average. Okay. And what will be the value to this? D of key is equal to
L.
L. Let's print D. Why is it showing this? Okay. Everyone got this? I'm
Yes, sir.
storing the average, I'm storing the minimum, and I'm storing the maximum. Okay. Now tell me one thing. After I have found out the average, minimum, and maximum. Do I actually even need this? These 90, 80, and 85, all those values.
No, sir.
So do I actually need another dictionary, or can I store it in the same dictionary? Can I not remove these values and instead store the minimum, maximum, and the average part? Okay, and let me comment it again. Okay,
Sir, why it's become difficult?
can I do this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are we doing this? We are storing these values into a separate list, and this list is having an average, this list is having the minimum, and this list is having the maximum. Everyone got it till here? Give me a thumbs up. Anyone who has a doubt till now? Anyone who wants to ask why we are using a separate list or something like that? Okay. So now once we have this list, what are we left with? What is the remaining part of the question? Can you please explain again? Definitely. Okay. So firstly, sorry, I should have deleted that, I guess. Okay. So we took a particular case. For that, we are storing the average, minimum, and the maximum in a list. Okay. So for key and scores in data or items, you got what is key, what key stores and what score stores, right? I hope you got that. Yep. So now firstly I find the average, then I find the minimum, and finally I find the maximum. Okay. I store all of those into a list. All right. And I store that list into the data variable. So this is how my data variable looks now. Is it clear till now? Okay. So
So
why are
no,
yeah.
no. My question is, see, if
Yeah.
in this question we are not maintaining the integrity of the data, like whatever we can manipulate with the data, correct? But if we want to, like, we don't have to do any modification in the data given, then we have to use a new dictionary,
Yeah, yeah,
correct?
definitely. If it is strictly given that you have to use the same you have to return the same dictionary without manipulating it, then that is not very hard, right? We can just make one more dictionary, call it something, and we can do this entire thing. Instead of data, it will be D. Okay, let's do
Got it.
that.
Yes.
Okay, okay, got this.
Yes, yes.
I hope you got this. Okay. Now we have the average, we have the minimum, we have the maximum. What is the question asking now? Okay, we have been given criteria. All right. So can someone now explain how to get this excellent part from how to get the average part from these values?
We can put a D key of then the index number,
Okay, give me the code.
a D key of first one
For
0.
scores in data dot items. Yeah, in d dot
Uh,
items. Right? Yeah,
yeah, D key, D brackets, square brackets.
if d of
Uh,
sorry, if key of 0, that is giving you the average.
yes,
Yeah.
uh, is greater than or equal to. I think it is mentioned equal to also.
Let's see. Yeah, 85.
Is 85.
So now
Then
let's
return.
print the key.
Yes,
Sorry, if scores of 0, right? It's not keys of 0.
yeah, scores of.
Got it? Okay. Everyone got the excellent part, right? Hope so. Okay. Next, what do we have? Next, we have the good part. How do we get the good part?
Have to check the condition if the score is between 50 and 85. should be less than 85, and 50 should be included into the.
Like this? Is this right?
No, no, we have. Okay, yes, yes.
Okay,
No,
let's.
power of a
Sorry? Yeah, score greater than or equal to 50, definitely. Okay. Next, what do we have? We got the excellent part, we got the good part. What else do we have?
All pass.
All pass. How do we get the all pass? Can someone tell me this? Can you tell me what does the all pass actually mean?
In every subject, it should be every mark should be greater than 50.
Okay, so do I have to check every mark here?
Yes,
Think about it.
we have to
Whatever.
check the minimum.
Grade is greater than
Exactly.
50, then we
Have
don't
to
have to.
check the
Minimum greater than 50.
So exactly. So if the minimum is less than equal to 50, if min sorry, what is the where am I storing the min? This is the
It's
min
1.
one, index one. Okay. And what is the last criteria?
Difference max score and min score is less than 10,
Okay, how do I get
equal to
that?
10. Scores 1 minus scores 2. We can do that.
1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1?
2 minus 1, 2 minus 1.
Okay. Okay. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is this right? This is what I wanted.
Yes.
Similar to what I wanted, right? I mean, I'm able to find out what is excellent, what is all pass, what is balanced. Now the question says it is already given what is excellent, what is all pass, right? Read the question. Based on the following criteria. So the criteria will always be given to you. It will always be given as excellent or good or all pass or whatever it is, right?
Yes.
So we'll
Need
run.
to like put every this code into based on the criteria. We can define a function and then we have to call it.
Sorry.
We have to put these right. We have written a for loop and then we have put a if condition. So we have to write a separate functions according to the criteria.
Yeah, we can do that. We can definitely do that. So what do? We make this entire thing into a function. Uh, Instead, I think that will only overcomplicate it, right? I mean, we are already complicating it enough. The only thing is we have four different criterias, right?
Yes.
So instead, what if we check here? We can do this same thing here. Okay. Let's have another list. Getting it?
Yes.
So instead of scores, what will this be? Where are we storing this? In L? L of what? For average. So
0.
let's first check the criteria. Sorry, criteria is excellent. Give me just a moment. For now, let's call it excellent or let's call it good actually. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What if it is excellent? What do we do? So do we even need an L now? No, right? Okay, what if it is excellent? What do we do? Hello? What were we checking when it was excellent? If
If
score
the average is greater than
average is greater than equal to 85, so if AVG greater than equal to 85, what do we append this to? Okay, so this list, right? That is why we have this list. Let's do
yes.
something like this. Okay, everyone got this? Anyone who has a doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
Okay, what is the next criteria? What is the next criteria we have?
Good.
Good. What is the criteria for good?
50 to
It
85.
should be 50 inclusive and 85 exclusive. So if average is greater than equal to 50 and average is less than 85,
What do we do?
we append the L to the key value.
Okay. What is the
L,
next criteria?
L if a criteria is
Right.
all pass.
It is all pass.
Yeah, all pass. Okay. Okay. What is the criteria for all pass?
If
Less than 50 and greater than 10.
What is less than sorry?
no, it is greater than equal to 50 if student with all scores. So if
What is greater than equal to 50? Yeah.
scores no, no, if minimum is greater than equal to
Equal to
50,
50.
L dot append key,
Else what will happen?
else if maximum minus minimum,
No, no, direct.
Greater than
Less than
what?
or equal.
no, less than or
No,
equal to 10.
less than or equal to 10.
Okay. L dot append key.
L dot of C.
All
uh,
right.
uh,
Sorry.
no, the last criteria is balanced, so we have to mention it in the
Yeah,
else
it's
condition.
else, right? It's else, right?
Okay, okay.
So they are gonna be one of the four always. Okay.
We don't have to mention the keyword balance like earlier we have mentioned the keyword as
No,
concern.
no. We can do that. We can definitely do this. We can definitely do this, but that is what else is for, right? That's why we have an else.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's check. Is that right? For good. Let's see. For excellent, I think it should be only Alice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're getting something. We will check this answer definitely. All right. Everyone got this? Give me a thumbs up.
Sir, I had solved this question in a different way. Could you please say that?
Yeah. Definitely, there are many ways to solve this. You can
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
me your approach. You can definitely tell me your approach. Stopped you that time. You can definitely tell me.
Sir, I am sending the in the
Yeah.
chat section.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Just send me your code because I think there's a limit on how many characters you can send in the chat box.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 minute.
In the meantime, everyone got this much? What we did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can someone
Yes.
tell me one thing? Why are we doing this L dot append four times? Is there a chance that excellent and good comes at the same time?
Yes, sir.
No, no. Is it possible that L actually contains values having excellent and having all pass at the same time? Is that possible?
No.
No, sir, because average value is
Because
different
criteria is
for.
always given. Criteria is already given. Uh, Result is equal to set if criteria is equal to excellent. Um,
Sir, I have a question. Yes,
I'm
sir.
guessing this solved your this thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Just keep.
And my answer is also correct, sir. But I have a question here.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, could you please copy the first five line if it is possible?
First five lines, sorry.
Yeah, from the result to score 85 and result dot add dot key till this line.
I didn't get you. I didn't get you.
Sir, could you please copy the first five line of my code?
Okay, you mean till here, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, you have already copied it, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Sir, my question is that here for we are using for loop for unpackaging the dictionary. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this loop only used for unpackaging dictionary, and all the values are stored. All the value of the dictionary are stored in the the using the value for loop. So
Uh,
yeah,
yeah,
sir,
yeah.
we are using the for loop for unpackaging the dictionary here. Okay,
Yep.
so there is a uh, many value in the dictionary, so we have to iterate to each of one of them. Okay,
Yep.
so why we are not using the for loop for that case? And if I use the for loop for each of the cases or each
Yeah.
of the values,
Yeah.
then the answer is getting wrong. Why, sir?
You used for loop for each, is it?
Yeah, and if
Like
I
this.
use another for loop here
Yeah.
for iterating each of the value to check that all the values average of the values
Yeah.
is greater than 85, then it's wrong. But if I don't use any for loop, it's become right. Why, sir?
Basically, you did something like this, is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You did count is equal to zero, sum is equal to zero, something like this.
No, no, sir. If you, sir, please
Okay, can
change
you
the value as a scores, then I can
this?
uh, scores.
Okay,
And for scores in score,
for scores in data. Yeah, for score in scores, is it?
score in scores, and sum if sum, sir, the variable should be changed here, no?
If
Sum
sum,
of score, sir,
okay,
only score, no? We are
sum
using
of
only score.
score. How is that
Uh,
possible? I think this is where your mistake is.
yeah,
See, what is this course actually? What is the data type of scores?
course is a list here.
List.
Yeah,
So, what is the data type of the score now?
it become the integer now. Okay, okay, sir, I got it.
How can you do sum of an integer, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I remove this?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So let's come back.
And
Everyone got this part? Everyone got how we solve this problem, right? Leave this criteria part. Param. Okay. For key comma scores in data dot items. Now, one more way we can do it. I think someone did it now. We can do it this way also. We can have a criteria and we can do sum of scores. But this, what is the problem with this code? Can someone tell us? Like it's not complete. Just tell me what is the problem with this approach.
so is it not complete?
No, no, it's you can't copy everything. That's the thing. If you see the chat box, everything is not there. Don't
Yeah,
worry
yeah.
about that. Just tell me what is the issue with this approach.
I don't know, sir. My answer is correct. I know that my approach is
No, no,
correct.
definitely your answer is correct. The only thing is, for every time you have a criteria, you are writing the for loop again. You're doing the same thing again.
Yes, sir.
Duplication of
I can
code.
write it as a like for key, and first of all, I have to unpackaging the dictionary. Then I can write that if criteria is equals to excellent, then I have to doing like that.
Yeah,
If
yeah, yeah.
just for,
Got it?
then yeah,
So
I can do
this
it like that
for
also.
loop, you're actually writing it four different times, right? We don't need
Yes,
that.
sir.
We can have a single for loop.
Yeah.
Okay. And we just
Then
check
there is
the criteria
different
inside
issue.
that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the approach I want you guys to take is you have to see what is common. I think this is a very common question, right? This kind of criteria based questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you observe here, in all the four cases, there will be some things that you have to calculate every time. Like this average
Yes,
score is
sir.
common in the first two things. There's a min that you need to find here. In students with all scores greater than equal to 50, you have to find the minimum. And this same minimum you're using here anyways, right?
Yes, sir.
So in these type of questions, you can actually just copy, you can actually just find out all of those things at once, like we have done here. We have found the average, we have found the minimum, we have found the maximum. And then you can define which criteria takes which value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this will just make your code look a lot better. Also, we have one more way of doing it. Can someone recall this? I think we did it in day one. Instead of writing four if statements, we have one more syntax for this. Anyone who remembers match case? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's comment out all this. Okay. 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 Let's do one thing. Let's not go into this. It's not necessary. We'll just overcomplicate it more. So everyone got it? Got this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Sir,
have a
but I
question.
want, sir, but the answer we want in a set, not in the list.
It's a set, is it? It's given.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We can change that, right? We can just make it. Let's just call it an S.
Yeah, set.
Okay.
We just need to append now, replace with add.
And now becomes sad. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it?
So I have a question.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
So, like right now, we have given the name and the score. There are only one key and one value is given.
Yeah.
But
This.
if yes, but if we have suppose we have more than one values, there is marks, there is some more values is given in another
Mhm.
list,
Yeah.
and if we have one more with Alice, we have his her roll number and all. Then how we can get that? Like here we have
Uh,
used the two
so
variables
you're
keys.
saying something like a dictionary inside dictionaries.
Yeah, a dictionary inside dictionary or a list there will be one more next to Alice there is one more list which is storing her roll number then
Well, let me show this, and you can tell me if that's what you
section.
mean.
Yes, so yes, yes,
This,
like that, yeah, yes, like this. Then how
that.
we will go through each and every,
Okay.
how we
Someone
will.
else answer this. Can anyone answer this? Let me do it for few cases.
So we have to take here two for loops, I think.
No. So what do you want to return here? Whoever asked that question.
Yeah, how I will get the this roll number value
So you
and
want
then
to return the roll number, is it?
yes, roll number value, or like suppose if I get like Alice, what is his her roll number, then we will return the roll number 1.
Just give me a moment. Yeah. Like this?
Yes.
Say D of Alice in a third bracket, roll in third bracket.
Sorry?
Say D of D and there is a close bracket, then Alice, then there is all another close bracket roll.
I didn't get you, buddy. I mean, you're giving the answer, is it?
So, yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. I want you to change this. I don't want you to write a whole code for that. Okay, now tell me, what is this key storing?
The
He's
names
storing the
of the
all the
student.
roll number and marks.
No, key is only storing your
Oh,
name.
sorry, Alice,
Still
Alice.
storing only the
Yeah,
name.
yeah, name.
Let me do one. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, and what is this? This course storing? Copy,
Roll number and the marks.
right? Roll number and the marks.
Yeah,
So let's actually change this. Uh, let's call it details. Okay.
yeah.
So what is gonna be there in the details part? Sprint,
There's another dictionary, the roll number and the
right?
marks. Yeah.
So now how do you unpack this?
So another for loop.
No, do you need a for loop? Think about it. Can I do something like this? Sorry. So details is a dictionary, right?
Yeah. There's
So how do
now
you get the role?
Yes.
Role?
And come. Oh, God.
Marks? Correct? Okay, you got your roll numbers
Yes, sir.
and you got your marks, right?
Yes, now got it. Got it.
Okay. Now how do you solve it now?
Now we will calculate the marks average value, minimum value, and maximum value, and then we can do that.
Right. So sum of what will be the sum?
some
It
now
will
is
be
for the
marks.
marks.
Everything will be for marks,
Yes, sir.
right? And
Yes,
what
sir.
do I add to this set now?
We have to add the. Uh,
No, what if I
add.
have to return the roll numbers at least instead of your marks?
We will add roll.
We will add roll. Okay. And is that the solution? Perfect.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Got it?
Thank you.
Great, great. Okay.
Sir, I don't think so. The answer is what I want. In the question, the answer is different, I think.
Sorry, you're talking about this one or this one?
Okay, the quote we have written.
This one, is it?
No, no, sir. Upper one, the first one.
This.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a moment. Just check if it is right. Okay, is this right? Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me what was the doubt.
No, no, sir, it's okay.
No, no. Do you have any doubt now?
No, 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 sir. I
Okay. Okay.
think it differently.
Uh, Everyone got this? Everyone is clear with this? Now I
Yes,
have
sir.
a related question. I hope everyone got this. Anyone who did not, please go ahead and ask what you did not get. Okay, great. All right, I think that will. Let's actually find the answer to this. Let's check if this is right.
Sir, it's not gonna write because they are talking about the function, and we are doing.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So what do we have to do here?
That's what I'm telling.
Function is it?
Yep.
Yes, sir. There is a function. It is a function.
Yes. What is the function name? Check.
The
Filters to.
function. Yeah.
Let me just copy the function name. Okay. Okay. All the cases got passed. Hope the submit works. Right? Is that clear? Okay. So everyone, I hope everyone got this. That brings us to an end to this class.
If we have any doubt how to contact you,
Uh,
possible you to explain.
I think I've shared my LinkedIn here somewhere. Let me give it again. Yeah, you can contact me there. You can definitely ask me anything. Don't worry.
Thank you. Yeah.
Solve it as fast as I can. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay. Everyone got this. So let me stop recording and